Okay, so this is just before picture. This is in an area right here that I want to. I put some strawberries out here because I had some left over. So what I want to do is kind of get this area. I mean, something came out here and ate like a couple of the little plants I put from here, but this is where I'm gonna put like a blueberry tree. I mean, if there's no rocks, because when they constructed this area and this land, they threw a lot of rocks back on the property, and so when um, you try to go and plant something, there's rocks in the ground, and you know how that is. I mean, if a seed falls on stony ground, guess what? It's not going to probably grow. So unless I kind of get and dig all that out and put some good soil in there, but hopefully there's no rocks in that area. Okay. Okay. So this project is about to be wrapped up. I'm just going to go ahead over it once again to show what I did. Basically, all I did was I did put some compost underneath here. You see right here in here, under each flower and under each tree. And I tried to video that with another camera, which I'm getting used to how to use these cameras, like one to show the viewing and all. But I just went with my normal with the straw out here, kind of make it like a little clean finish with the straw. But that's pretty much the end result right there. After I weeded it out and cleaned up everything, and the wax myrtle trees are just growing like wild. I mean, I wanted to kind of I had to trim, out the base, but I'm gonna have to get some trimming done to those after. I'm thinking after a while, after the flowers bloom out and do their thing. But that's about it. Please like and subscribe to the video. You guys have a great day.